Morphology. Definition. In Greek, morphe meaning forms, logos meaning to study. Study of forms of organisms. Morphology deals with study of external structures or appearance with reference to shape, size, color, forms, number, relative positions, and arrangement of parts or organs of organisms or plants. Morphology helps in recognition of plants, classification of plants, study of deficiency and toxicity symptoms of minerals, helps in plant breeding program. Herbs, non-woody plants having soft, fragile, pliable stem, less branched, height up to or below 2 meter. For example, rice, wheat, onion, cabbage, potato, tomato, etc. Shrubs, also called bush, less woody plants, lower part woody while upper part is herbaceous, highly branched, branches develop just above the ground, height from 2 to 5 meter, for example, rose, jasmine, etc. Trees, woody and branched plants. Branches develop after certain height more than 5 meter. For example, mango, neem, banyan, etc. Trailers, prostrate plants, stem spread horizontally above the ground, no further rootings at regular intervals. For example, euphorbia. Creepers, prostrate plants with horizontal spreading stem, root formation occurs at regular intervals from nodes. For example, grasses. Twiners, soft, weak stem plants, stem itself twine or coil around support. For example, Iponia. Climbers, soft, weak stem plants have special structures like tendril, etc. to hold or coil the support. For example, cucumber, watermelon. Lineage, woody climbers having thick stem. For example, hyptaes, epiphytes, plants which grow over other plants called space parasite or space host. For example, vanda. Annual plants, lifespan up to 1 year or 3 to 4 months or one season. They grow, mature, reproduce, and die in one season or 3 to 4 months. For example, rice, potato, pea, gram, maize, etc. Biennial plants, lifespan up to 2 years, grow, mature, reproduce, and die in 2 seasons or 2 years. First season or first year perform vegetative growth, and second season or second year perform reproduction and then die. For example, sugarcane, henbane, beet, cabbage, radish, carrot. Perennial plants, lifespan more than 2 years, produce flowers and fruits more than once. For example, mango, guava, rose, banyan, neem, apple, etc. Terrestrial plants grow on land. Hydrophytes, aquatic plants grow in water. Xerophytes grow in high temperature, water scarcity in desert. Mesophytes grow in moist, marshy area. Halophytes grow in saline, salty area. Psammophytes grow in shady area. Ceophytes, shade plants, grow under canopy of other large plants. Heliophytes, sun plants, tall trees. Succulents, plants with thick, pulpy, mucilaginous stem or leaves. Total stem parasite. For example, Cuscuta, Amarbel. Total root parasite. For example, Rafflesia, largest or biggest flower. Partial stem parasite. For example, Viscum. Partial root parasite. For example, Santalum, sandalwood, largest parasite plant. Total parasite plants cannot prepare their food. Partial parasite plants can prepare their food depend for water and minerals on their host. Flowering plants, angiospermic plants, has cylindrical plant axis and associated structures divided into two parts. Above the ground part called shoot system, under the ground part called root system. Shoot system has stem plus lateral appendages like branches, leaves, buds, flower, fruits. It represents heterogeneous system. Root system has main root plus lateral roots. It represents homogeneous system. Stem and main root represent axis of plants. Flowering plants, two major parts: vegetative part, reproductive part. Vegetative part has root, leaf, stem. Reproductive part includes flower, fruit, seed. Root, leaf, stem are vegetative organs. Flower, fruit, seed are reproductive organs. Flowering plants Flowering plants have organ level organization. In plants, organ system level organization absent. The root, descending underground, homogeneous, non-green, achlorophyllous part of plant. Non-photosynthetic, cuticle, nodes, internodes, bud, leaves absent. Mature root brown in color. Root positive geotropic or gravitropic, positive hydrotropic, negative phototropic. Root part of plant that grow from radicle of germinating seed. Types of root. Taproot found in gymnosperm dicot. Develops from radicle. Radicle forms primary root, main root. Primary root long living called taproot. Primary root produces secondary roots. Secondary produces tertiary roots. Tertiary produces rootlets. Primary root plus lateral roots, that is secondary, tertiary and rootlets together form taproot system. Fibrous root found in monocots, develops from radicle. Radicle form primary root. Primary root short living, replaced by fine, long, thin, thread-like bunch of roots present below stem base. Roots and root branches form fibrous root system. Fibrous roots are actually adventitious root. Adventitious root found in pteridophyte, dicots and monocots, develops from parts other than radicle like stem, leaf, etc. In taproot system, root branches, that is lateral roots, arranged in equipetal manner, that is older roots at base and younger roots at tip. Functions of root: absorption of water and minerals from soil, storage of food, fixing and anchoring of plant, synthesis of plant growth regulators PGR like auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin. Zones or regions of root. Four regions. Zone or region of root tap. Apical or terminal in position, made up of parenchyma rich in Golgi body, secretes mucilage, protects root apical meristem from soil friction. Zone or region of meristem, subapical or subterminal in position, 1 millimeter part, white color, has dividing cells called root apical meristem RAM. Add new cells in root. Zone or region of elongation or vacuolization, 4 to 6 millimeter part, vacuole formation and elongation or enlargement of cells occur. Zone or region of maturation, differentiation, root hair, 4 to 8 centimeter part, cells mature, deposition of additional cell wall materials, cells functionally differentiated in permanent tissues, unicellular root hair also formed. Modifications of root: change in forms, structures and physiology or function of root. Taproot modification: for storage of food, fusiform root, spindle shaped, narrow at base, broad in center, tapering towards tip. For example, radish, Raphanus sativus. Conical root, cone shaped, broad at base and gradually tapering from center towards tip. For example, carrot, Docus carota. Napiform root, spherical or subspherical in shape, narrow at base, much more broad in center, and suddenly tapers at tip. For example, beetroot, Beta vulgaris, and turnip, Brassica rapa. Tuberous root, no proper shape of root. For example, 4 o'clock plant, Mirabilis jalapa, and Parval trichosanthus. Modifications of taproot branches. Respiratory root, pneumatophore or aerophore. Found in plants growing in salty or marshy area where water saturated soil present. There is deficiency of oxygen in soil. Branches of horizontally growing taproot start growing vertically upward for respiration, that is exchange of gases O2 and CO2, represent negative geotropic roots called respiratory roots. Roots have pores at the tip called lenticels or nematodes, helping in exchange of gases. For example, mangrove plants of Sundarban of West Bengal, Rhizophora, Soneracea, Abyssinia, Cereops, heritera. Modification of taproot branches. Nodulated roots found in Papilionaceae or Fabaceae family, that is legume plants like pea, gram, groundnut, Arachis hypogea, soybean, glycine max, etc. Nodulated roots have swollen tumor, knot, or knob-like structures having nitrogen-fixing symbiotic bacteria like rhizobium called root nodules. Root nodules are formed due to excess division of root cells. In root nodules of nodulated root, fixation of atmospheric nitrogen occurs performed by nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Modifications of adventitious root for storage of food. Tuberose root, single root develops from node having improper shape. For example, sweet potato, Icomia batata. Fasciculated root, multiple swollen improper shaped root present at the base of stem or lowermost node. For example, Dahlia asparagus. Nodulated root, adventitious roots showing swellings at the tip due to food storage. For example, mango ginger and turmeric. Monoliform bead-like root. Root shows swellings at regular intervals. Annulated root, swellings present as compressed rings like, for example, ipecac plant. Prop root or pillar root found in large giant tree, for example, banyan tree, Ficus bengalensis, develop from branches of tree, grow vertically downward, can also penetrate soil, represent positive geotropic root, also have root caps. Young prop root has hygroscopic character, can absorb atmospheric water or moisture. Pillar roots provide support to the giant tree. Stilt root or brace root found in plants having long unbranched stem. Stilt roots develop from few lower nodes of stem, grow obliquely downward and mostly penetrate the soil, provide support to the long stem. Stilt roots represent bunch of tubular roots which show further branching at tip. It is non-hygroscopic. For example, SMS, sorghum, jowar, maize, scoopine, pandanus, sugarcane, saccharum. Adventitious roots with special functions. Floating roots, white, flat, spongy roots arise from branches help in floating and respiration. For example, Jusia, assimilatory or photosynthetic roots. Green roots synthesize food by photosynthesis. For example, Trapa, water chestnut, Tinospora, Tinophyllum, Podostemon. Hostorial or sucking or parasite roots found in non-photosynthetic parasite plants. Roots penetrate inside host plant, establish connection with vascular tissue and suck water and food from xylem and phloem. For example, COVI, C for Cuscuta amarvale, O से Orobanche, V से Viscum. Climbing or clinging roots found in climber plants having soft weak stem arise from nodes or internodes represent non-absorptive adventitious roots that penetrate in the crevices of host plant but do not establish connection with vascular tissue. Roots help the plants to stand upright erect. For example, betel plant, pan, pothos, money plant, tecoma, ficus pumila, climbing fig, hygroscopic or epiphytic or aerial or hanging roots found in epiphytes, that is space parasites, help in absorption of water or moisture from atmosphere by special tissue called velamen. For example, orchids, vanda, dendrobium. Reproductive roots, fleshy adventitious roots having presence of birds help in vegetative propagation of new plants. For example, sweet potato, Ipomia batatas, Dahlia. Epiphyllous roots arise from margin of leaves having presence of birds help in vegetative reproduction. For example, Bryophyllum, begonia, contractile or pull roots can shrink 60 to 70% of original length and bring underground organs at proper depth in the soil. For example, crocus, saffron, freesia, onion, allium, lilium, root thorns, hard, thick, pointed. For example, pothos, armatus, acanthorrhiza. Stem. Definition. Above ground erect organ of plant. Heterogeneous part of plant as it bears dissimilar organs like leaf, fruit, flower, etc. Young stems, green colored, perform photosynthesis, also have presence of cuticle. On maturity, old stem becomes thick, hard, woody, dark brown colored. Stem is ascending part. Stem is negative gravitropic or geotropic, negative hydrotropic, positive phototropic. Stem is part or organ of plant that develops from plumule of germinating seed. Presence of nodes, internodes, and buds are specific characters of stem. Bud, condensed, compactly arranged group of cells having division capacity. Bud represents embryonic shoot or young, immature, underdeveloped, compact shoot. Bud helps in increase in vertical and horizontal length of plant, also involved in formation of branches and flowers. Based on nature, vegetative bud forms shoot system, leaves, branches, etc. Floral bud, formation of flower. Mixed bud acts as both vegetative and floral buds. Types of bud based on location or position. Terminal or apical bud present at tip of stem or branches. Lateral bud present part other than tip. Lateral bud two types. Nodal bud bud present at nodes, adventitious bud present part other than node. Nodal bud two types. Axillary bud present at axis or axil of leaves and stem or branches. Extra axillary bud present away from axis or axil. Adventitious bud three types. Radical bud present on roots, foliar bud present on leaves, colline bud present on stem like internodes, etc. Functions of stem: provides attachment site for leaves, flowers and fruits, help in translocation of water from root to upper parts of plant, and food from leaves to other parts or storage parts of plant like roots, buds, fruits, etc. Green stem perform photosynthesis and also stores reserve food. Bulbil, multicellular green large fleshy bud. After detachment from plant, grow into new plant, help in vegetative reproduction. For example, Coela, Coyla, Coela, C. Chlorophyton, O. oxalis, Y. Yam, also called Dioscorea, L. Lily, A. Agave, also called century plant. Turian, large-sized fleshy bird having reserve or stored food found in aquatic plants. For example, Potamogeton, Utricularia, also called bladderwort. Modification of stem: underground stem or subterranean stem, grows below the soil and generally modified for storage of food, represents perinating structure, that is organ of perination, remain dormant throughout unfavorable conditions and germinates to produce new plantlet in favorable conditions, thus helps to tide over conditions unfavorable for growth. Rhizome represent condensed, flattened, elongated, swollen, thick structure growing below the ground. Rhizomes generally grow horizontally below the ground, can also grow obliquely upward but never come out of ground. Possess nodes, internodes, buds and scaly leaves. For example, ginger, that is Gingiber officinale, turmeric, that is Curcuma domestica, ginger, turmeric, branched rhizome. Banana ferns like Adiantum and Diopteris represent unbranched rhizome. Buds are axillary buds develop into shoot system. In banana, vegetative propagation or reproduction occurs through rhizome. Corm, spherical or subspherical, much more swollen, unbranched underground stem, grows vertically below the ground, has ring-like nodes, internodes, buds, that is axillary buds, scaly leaves. Buds produce leafy shoot system. Corm has adventitious roots. For example, Coco GAC लगाओ, Coco GAC लगाओ. Co for colocasia, Co for colchicum, G for gladiolus, A for amorphophallus, also called jamaican, A for alocasia, C for crocus, that is saffron और केसर. लगाओ का कोई मीनिंग नहीं. Tuber, tuber represents modification of tips of branches of underground part of stem. It is spherical or oval structure having stored food. Tuber possesses nodes, internodes, axillary buds and scaly leaves. tuber does not have adventitious roots. Nodes of tuber, also called eyes. Cut piece of tuber having eye can produce new plant. For example, potato, that is Solanum tuberosum, Jerusalem artichoke, that is Helianthus tuberosus. Bulb, it is a highly reduced stem present in the form of disc. Internodes are highly reduced or condensed, thus nodes get compressed forming disc. Disc has adventitious roots, lower side and terminal bud surrounded by flattened or oval, fleshy, edible, modified leaves covered by dry membranous scaly leaves called tunica present on upper side. For example, onion, brown tunica, garlic has white tunica, represent compound bulb having many bulblets, lily, narcissus, etc. Subaerial stem, offset, found in aquatic plants like Pistia water lettuce, Icornia water hyacinth. Offset represent short, thick, horizontal internode. Nodes bear rosette of leaves upper side and tuft or cluster of roots lower side. Offset represents one internode runner. Sucker. Sucker represent branch of underground part of stem that initially grows horizontally below the ground and laterally grows obliquely upward as leafy shoot. Underground part of sucker has few nodes and adventitious roots. For example, banana, pineapple, chrysanthemum, mint, etc. Runner represent prostrate, creeping structure, grow horizontally and parallel above the ground, has thin, long, multi-directional spreading internodes. Nodes have group of roots lower side and crown of leaves upper side. For example, oxalis, doob grass or durva, that is Cynodon dactylon, lawn grass. Stolon represent arched or curved, slender, longest internode which initially grow horizontally above the ground, then raised obliquely upward, then grows obliquely downward, and at last grows horizontally above the ground. Nodes produce cluster of roots lower side, bunch of leaves upper side. For example, jasmine, blackberry, raspberry, colocasia, vallisneria, that is a water plant, peppermint, that is pudina, mentha viridis. Stolon can cross small obstacle. Aerial stem modification. Phylloclade represents modification of stem and branches of arid or desert plants. Stem and branches are modified into green, photosynthetic, flattened or cylindrical, succulent or fleshy, mucilaginous structure and perform process of photosynthesis. Leaves are converted into pointed spines to reduce transpiration. Phylloclade contains photosynthetic pigments and shows unlimited growth. For example, Apuncia, flattened structure, Euphorbia and Casuarina, cylindrical structure. Cladode represents modification of branches or sub-branches. Branch or sub-branch is modified into cylindrical, green, generally single internode long, green, photosynthetic structure showing limited growth. For example, asparagus ruscus stem tendril represents long, cylindrical, wiry, helically coiled, sensitive modification of axillary bud. Tendril is sensitive for touch. Coils around support help in upright standing of plants with soft, pliable, weak stem. For example, grapevine that is whitish, gourds like pumpkin, bitter gourds, cucumber, watermelon, bottle gourds, etc. Stem thorn represents thick, hard, pointed, woody, vascularized modification of axillary buds. Provide protection against browsing or grazing animals. Can also prevent transpiration. For example, Coronda, Bougainvillea, citrus plants like lemon, orange, etc. Leaf. It is exogenous, dissimilar, thin, flattened, green-colored photosynthetic part that arises from nodes of stem and branches. Leaf develops from shoot apical meristem or lateral shoot apical meristem. Leaves show equipetal arrangement over the stem or branch, that is, younger leaves at top and older leaves at bottom. Leaf has axillary bud at its axis. Newly formed young immature leaf called leaf primordia. Parts of leaf. Phylopodium. First, hypopodium, leaf base. Basal lower part of leaf helps in attachment of leaf over the node. Two small lateral green leaf-like structures present at leaf base called stipules. Number two, mesopodium, petiole. Thin, cylindrical, elongated, soft, flexible stalk of leaf that connects leaf lamina with leaf base and raises leaf lamina away for maximum exposure of light. Also helps in fluttering of leaf lamina. Number three, epipodium, leaf blade, leaf lamina. Main flattened photosynthetic part consists of midrib, veins and veinlets. Pulvinous leaf base represents swollen leaf base, helps in sleeping or drooping movement. For example, Mimosa pudica, that is chui mui, touch me not, bean, etc. Seething leaf base represents flattened leaf base, either partially or completely overlapping or covering internode of plant. It develops or grows parallel to the internode. For example, bamboo, grasses, etc. Leaf is flattened structure and is divided into two surfaces. First, adaxial surface, also called upper surface, also called ventral surface. Second, abaxial surface, also called lower surface, also called dorsal surface. Leaf having stalk or petiole called petiolate leaf. Leaf without stalk or petiole called sessile leaf. Leaf having stipules called stipulate leaf. Leaf without stipules called exstipulate leaf. Leaf lamina. Midrib, veins and veinlets represent skeleton of leaf lamina, help in spreading. They also act as vascular or conducting channels involved in transport of food, water, minerals. Midrib, main conducting channel, has largest vascular bundles or vascular tissues, followed by veins and then venlets. Venation in leaf represent presence of veins and venlets in leaf. Based on veins and venlets specifically, venation is of two types. Reticulate venation, leaf lamina has veins and venlets. Reticulation present in leaf lamina, that is, veins are further divided into venlets. For example, dicot leaf. Exception, Calophyllum, Corymbium, Eryngium are dicots with parallel venation. Number two, parallel venation. Only veins are present, venlets absent. Reticulation absent in leaf lamina, that is, veins are not divided into venlets. For example, monocot leaf. Exception, smilets, colocasia, alocasia, dioscorea are monocots with reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. Two types. Unicostate reticulate venation has single main thick prominent principal midrib, that is vein. For example, people, that is Ficus religiosa. Number two, multicostate reticulate venation has several main thick prominent visible midribs, that is veins. Two types. Convergent type, midribs or veins arise from same point and finally meet at same point on other end. For example, bear, that is Ziziphus jujuba. Divergent type, midribs or veins arise from same point and are diverted or spread to different point on other end. For example, lupha, castor, that is ricinus, grapevine. Parallel venation. Two types. Number one, unicostate parallel venation has single main thick prominent principal midrib, that is vein. For example, banana, that is musa. Number two, multicostate parallel venation has several thick prominent visible midribs, that is veins. Two types. Number one, convergent type. Veins arise from same point and meet at same point on other end. For example, grass and bamboo. Number two, divergent type. Veins arise from same point and diverted to different points on other end. For example, fan palm. Reticulate venation of leaf is a primitive type of venation as vascular bundles are of different sizes in midrib, veins and venlets. Thus, material transport is difficult in reticulate venation. Parallel venation of leaf is advanced type venation as veins and vascular bundles are of same size, thus material transport is easy. Types of leaf. Simple leaf. Leaf lamina is entire or complete. Incisions in leaf lamina mostly absent, can be present also. Incisions in leaf lamina, if present, never touch the midrib. Leaf lamina is not divided into leaflets. Leaflets absent. Midrib is present. Axillary bud present at the axil of simple leaf. Compound leaf. Leaf lamina is not complete. Incisions of leaf lamina always present. Incisions of leaf lamina touch the midrib. Leaf lamina is divided into leaflets. Leaflets present. Midrib is absent, converted into rachis. Axillary buds absent at the axil of leaflets. Types of compound leaf. Pinnately compound leaf. Leaflets or pinna are present at different points or positions over the rachis. For example, neem, that is Ada directa, Mimosa, Acacia, Moringa, Nelia. Palmately compound leaf. Leaflets, that is pinna, are present at same point over the tip of petiole. Rachis is absent. For example, Bombyx silk cotton tree. Phyllotaxy, arrangement of leaves over stem or branches. Three types. First, alternate or spiral phyllotaxy. Each node has one leaf. Successive nodes have leaves on opposite direction arranged in alternate manner. For example, Mast, Sundar, Sooj, Kharida. Must for mustard, Sundar for sunflower, Sooj for sunflower or China rose, Kharida no meaning. Number two, opposite phyllotaxy. Each node has two leaves present on opposite sides. There is overlapping of leaves. For example, guava, that is Pseudium, jamun, that is Eugenia, Calotropis, holy basil or tulsi, that is Ocimum, Genia quisqualis. Word phyllotaxy. Each node has word or group of more than two leaves. For example, Nerium, Alston. Modification of leaf. Leaf tendril. Long, thread-like, slender structure, sensitive for touch, coils around the support to help plants with weak, soft stem, that is climbers, to stand upright erect. For example, pea or garden pea, that is Pygium sativum, sweet pea, that is Lathyrus odoratus. Leaf tendril is modification of few upper young leaves. Note, stem tendril, that is modified axillary bud, and leaf tendril are structurally different but functionally similar, thus represent analogous organs or structures. Leaf spines. Found in desert plants, leaves are converted into long, pointed, thick, green, non-woody, vascularized structures called leaf spines. Prevent loss of water, that is transpiration, and protect plants against grazing animals. For example, aloe, cactus. Insectivorous leaves. Leaves are modified to capture, kill, digest and absorb nitrogen content of small animals and insects, etc. For example, pitcher plant, that is Nepenthes, Venus flytrap, that is Dionia, bladderwort, that is Utricularia, sundews plant, that is Drosera, and Sarracenia plant. Insectivorous plants grow in nitrogen deficient regions. Normally, they are autotrophic, synthesize food by photosynthesis. But for nitrogen requirement, they are depend on insects, etc., thus called partial heterotrophs or partial autotrophs. Storage leaves represents modified edible, fleshy, flattened or swollen leaves. For example, onion, garlic, etc. Modification of leaf petiole. Winged petiole. Petiole is green, flat, photosynthetic structure. For example, citrus. Spongy petiole. Flattened petiole rich in parenchyma provide buoyancy. For example, Eichhornia. Phyllodes. Plants have short-living pinnately compound leaves which fall down soon. Here, petiole is modified into green, flattened, sickle-shaped structure to perform photosynthesis. For example, Australian acacia, Parkinsonia. Nimbly or first formed leaves after seed germination called prophylls. All the green leaves belonging to single plant collectively called foliage. Inflorescence, arrangement of flowers on floral axis or peduncle, that is modified shoot axis, called inflorescence. Solitary inflorescence, arrangement of single flower on floral axis. If single flower present at the tip of floral axis, it is called solitary terminal inflorescence. For example, poppy. If single flower present at the axis of leaf, it is called solitary axillary inflorescence. For example, petunia, China rose. Compound inflorescence, arrangement of group or bunch of flowers on floral axis, that is peduncle. It is of two types. Number one, racemose inflorescence. Number two, cymose inflorescence. Racemose inflorescence. Floral axis, that is peduncle, has indefinite or infinite growth. Peduncle has presence of growing tip. Apex of peduncle does not bear flower. Peduncle has younger flowers at top and older flowers present towards base, like in radish, lupin, mustard. Racemose inflorescence has acropetal arrangement or acropetal succession of flowers. In racemose inflorescence, if peduncle is flattened, younger flowers present in the center and older flowers present towards periphery represent centripetal arrangement of flowers. Cymose inflorescence. Floral axis, that is peduncle, shows definite or finite growth. Growing point is absent. Tip of peduncle bears flower. Peduncle has younger flowers towards base and older flowers towards apex, represent basipetal arrangement or succession. If peduncle is flattened, then younger flowers present towards periphery and older flowers present towards center represent centrifugal arrangement. For example, begonia, teak, bougainvillea, dianthus, solanum. Types of racemose inflorescence. Raceme, pedicellate, bisexual flowers arranged epipetally on peduncle. For example, larkspur, radish. Spike, sessile, bisexual flowers arranged epipetally. For example, Cheiranthus adathola. Catkin or amentum. Sessile, unisexual flowers arranged epipetally on pendulous or hanging peduncle. For example, mulberry, that is Morus alba, birch, oak, acalypha. Spadix, peduncle is thick and fleshy. Flowers are sessile, unisexual, covered by colorful bracts called spathe. Sterile tip of peduncle not bearing any flower called appendix. Male flowers present at tip, female flowers present towards base, in between sterile or neuter flowers present. For example, banana, palm, etc. Corymb, short peduncle, pedicellate flowers. Upper flowers have short pedicel and lower flowers have long pedicel. Thus, all the flowers present more or less at same level. For example, candytuft, that is Iberis, capsula. Umbel, umbrella-like inflorescence. Peduncle much more short. All the flowers arise from same point. Outer flowers have long pedicel and inner flowers have short pedicel. Group or whirl of bracts present together called involucre. For example, hydrocotyl plant. Capitulum or racemose head, found in Asteraceae, that is compositive family, like sunflower, zinnia, cosmos, marigold, etc. Peduncle becomes flattened, called receptacle. Receptacle has small sessile flowers called florets. Peripheral florets called ray florets or ligulate florets represent unisexual female or pistillate flowers having zygomorphic, that is bilateral symmetry. Central florets called disc florets or tubular florets represent bisexual florets having actinomorphic, that is radial symmetry. Capitulum is advanced inflorescence, single visit of insects, pollinate many florets. Types of racemose inflorescence: uniparous monocaseal cyme, peduncle terminated into flower and bears basipetal flowers arranged or present on one lateral side only. Biparous dicaseal cyme, peduncle terminated into flower and bears basipetal flower present on both sides of peduncle. Multiparous polycaseal cyme, peduncle terminated into flower and bears more than two flowers present on both sides of peduncle. Uniparous monocaseal cyme. Two types. Helicoid type, flowers arranged helically on one side or same side of peduncle. Flowers borne in helix pattern. Scorpioid type, successive flowers arranged on opposite direction, means if one flower present on right direction, the next will be on left direction, and so on. Flowers generally borne on one lateral side of peduncle. Special inflorescence. Verticillaster, a cluster of subsessile or sessile flowers borne on a dicaseal cyme ending in monocaseal scorpioid cyme in the form of condensed whorl on either side of the node or axis. The axis is shortened so that all the flowers arise from a single point. For example, Lamiaceae family. Ocimum, that is Tulsi or sacred basil. Salvia. Cythium looks like a single flower. A cup-shaped involucre formed by bracts encloses a single female flower represented by pistil or carpel and many male flowers represented by stamens. Flowers are pedicellate and unisexual achlamydeous, that is, calyx and corolla are absent with male and female flowers. Ratio between female and male flowers is 1 is to many. For example, Euphorbia pulcherrima, that is Poinsettia pedilanthus. Hypanthodium, fleshy receptacle having a hollow cavity and apical opening called ostiole. Unisexual flowers present on inner wall of hollow cavity. Male flowers located at the top near the opening and female flowers located at the bottom having long stem. Between male and female flowers, sterile gall flowers present having short style. For example, Ficus species of Moraceae family, Ficus religiosa, that is people, Ficus bengalensis, that is banyan, Ficus carica, that is fig, Ficus raniosa, that is gular. Flower. It is modified condensed soup having modified leaves or floral leaves or floral organs involved in reproduction. During flower formation, shoot apical meristem converted into floral meristem, which initially form floral primordia, and floral primordia laterly develops into floral bud. Floral bud finally matures into a flower. In flower, due to highly condensation of internodes, generally nodes and internodes are not distinguished. Flower, that is modified shoot, bears modified leaves at successive nodes, but due to compression of internodes, nodes are not visible. In flower, generally a single internode is noticeable, that is pedicel stalk of flower. Anthophore, internode present between sepal and petal. For example, Silene. Androphore, internode present between petal and stamen. For example, Passiflora. Gynophore, internode present between stamen and pistil or carpel. For example, Cleome gynandra. Flower. Parts of flower called floral part or floral whorl. There are two major whorls. Accessory whorl, also called non-essential whorl, also called helper whorl. Do not participate directly in reproduction. Calyx, collection of sepals. Corolla, collection of petals. Necessary whorl, essential whorl. Participate directly in reproduction. Androecium, collection of stamens, male reproductive part. Gynoecium, collection of pistil, female reproductive part. Pedicel, stalk of flower. Pedicel present, flower is pedicellate. Pedicel absent, flower is sessile. Thalamus, that is torus. Solid inverted shoot tip represent a stage of flower over which floral whorls are present. In flower, sepal develops on first node, petal develops on second node, stamen develops on third node, and carpel or pistil develops on fourth node respectively. Isomery of flower. Each flower has distinct number of floral parts. Counting the number of floral parts called isomery. Trimerous flower. Floral parts are 3 in number or in the multiple of 3. For example, monocots like Liliaceae and Poaceae family. Tetramerous flower. Floral parts are 4 in number or in the multiple of 4. For example, dicots. Pentamerous flower. Floral parts are 5 in number or in the multiple of 5. For example, dicots. Flower having all floral parts, all 4 floral parts, called complete flower. Flower lacking one or more floral parts, called incomplete flower. Flower having both reproductive parts, called perfect, intersex, hermaphrodite, or bisexual flower. Flower having either male reproductive organ, that is stamen, or female reproductive organ, that is pistil, called imperfect unisexual flower. Unisexual flower having only male reproductive part, that is stamen. Carpel or pistil is absent, called male or staminate flower. Having only female reproductive part, that is pistil or carpel. Stamen is absent, called female or pistillate flower. Sterile male flower or sterile stamen, called staminode. Monoecious plant. Both male and female reproductive parts present in same plant. Monoecious plants having bisexual flowers. For example, Brassicaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae, Poaceae families, etc. Monoecious plant having unisexual male flowers and unisexual female flowers on same plant. For example, coco, cuckoo, की केस में अलविदा बोली. Coco for coconut, cuckoo for cucumber, case for cassia, may for maize, alvida for acalypha. Dioecious plant has only unisexual male flowers or unisexual female flowers on one plant. Dioecious plants are of two types. Male plant having only unisexual male flowers and female plant having only unisexual female flowers. For example, पापा ने मम्मी को डेट किया. पापा for papaya, mummy for mulberry, co for colocasia, date for date palm. Symmetry of flowers. Actinomorphic symmetry, that is radial symmetry. Flowers can be divided into two equal or similar halves by more than one planes passing through the center. For example, A, B, C, D. A for actinomorphic, B for brassica, that is mustard, C for chili, D for datura. Zygomorphic symmetry, that is bilateral symmetry. Flowers can be divided into two equal or similar halves by single plane only passing through the center. For example, PG college बंद है. P for P, G for Gulmohar, college for cassia, बंद for bean. Asymmetry. Flowers cannot divided into two similar halves through any plane. For example, canna, orchids, cactus. Calyx, symbol capital K. Outermost green colored part of flower provides protection to inner floral parts during bud condition of flower. Unit or single member of calyx called sepal. If sepal is colorful, it is called petaloid sepal. Hairy calyx attached with fruit of sunflower called pappus. Calyx remain attached or present during fruit formation, does not fall down, called persistent calyx. For example, brinjal, tomato. In Musanda, one of the sepal converted into large white colored structure to attract pollinators called advertising flag. Polysepalous. Sepals of a flower are not united, free from each other. For example, China rose. Gamosepalous. Sepals of a flower are united, fused with each other. For example, tomato, potato, brinjal. Epicalyx or hypocalyx. Small green calyx-like structure present below calyx. For example, China rose. Corolla, symbol capital C, represents second inner colorful part of flower. Unit or single member of corolla called petal. Corolla has fragrance or scent. Corolla attracts pollinators. Polypetalous. When petals of a flower are not united, free from each other. Gamopetalous. When petals of a flower are united or fused with each other. If petal is green colored, it is called sepaloid petal. Estivation represents arrangement of sepals or petals with similar parts during bud condition of flower. Volvate. There is no overlapping of margins of petals. Margin of each petal just touch the margin of next petal. For example, calotropis, mustard. Twisted. Margin of one petal overlaps the margin of next successive petal and so on. Margins of each petal show in and out condition. For example, China rose, lady's finger, cotton. Imbricate. Margin of petals overlaps but not in a particular direction. One petal complete out, one petal complete in, others are in and out. For example, cassia, gulmohar. Vexillary estivation. A largest posterior petal called standard or vexillum overlaps two smaller free petals called wings or alae, which in turn overlaps two smallest fused petals called keel or carina, represented by 1 plus 2 within bracket. For example, Fabaceae or Papilionaceae family like pea, bean, etc. Perianth, symbol capital P. It is used when calyx and corolla cannot be distinguished. Unit or member of perianth called tepal. green colored tepal called sepaloid tepal and colorful tepal called petaloid tepal. If tepals are not united, fused, free from each other, it is called polyphylous or polytepalous. If tepals are united, fused with each other, it is called gamophilous or gamotepalous. Perianth generally found in monocots like Liliaceae, Poaceae families. Androecium, symbol capital A, represent male reproductive organ of flower. Unit or member of androecium called stamen. Stamen has two parts, fertile part called anther and sterile part called filament. Anther involved in production of pollen grains and male gametes, filament involved in transport of water and food. Mostly or typically, anther is bilobed tetrasporangiate structure, that is two lobes and four microsporangia. Cohesion of stamens, fusion of stamens with similar parts. Adelphus, stamens are fused by their filaments, anthers are free. Monoadelphous, all stamens are united by their filaments into single bundle. For example, China rose, that is hibiscus. Diadelphous, all stamens are united by their filaments into two bundles. For example, pea, bean, Fabaceae family, etc. Polyadelphous, all stamens are united by their filaments into more than two bundles. For example, citrus plants, lemon, orange, etc. Syngenesious or synantherous. Stamens are fused by their anthers, filaments are free. For example, sunflower. Synandrous. Stamens are fused both by their anthers and filaments. For example, cucurbita. Adhesion of stamens. Fusion of stamens with dissimilar parts. Epipetalous. Stamens are fused or attached with petals. For example, Solanaceae family. Epitepalous or epiphyllous. Stamens are fused or attached with tepals. For example, Liliaceae family. Gynandrous. Stamens are fused with carpels or pistils. For example, Calotropis. Length of stamens. Didynamous. Out of four stamens, two inner stamens are long and two outer stamens are short. For example, Lamiaceae family, Tulsi, that is Ocimum, Salvia. Tetradynamous. Out of six stamens, four inner stamens are long and two outer stamens are short. For example, Brassicaceae, that is Crucifery family. Mustard radish. Fixation or attachment of anther over filament. Basic fixed anther. Anther attached over filament by its base. For example, radish, mustard. Adunate anther. Here, filament passes throughout the anther lobes. For example, ranunculus, magnolia. Dorsifixed anther. Anther attached over filament by its dorsal or back side. For example, Passiflora, Sesbania, Prunus. Versatile anther. Anther is very long, attached over filament by its back side and can swing freely. For example, grass. Gynosium, symbol capital G. It is female reproductive organ. Unit called pistil or carpel. Pistil has three parts. Stigma, upper receptive surface of pistil, receives pollen grains after pollination and also provides nourishment. Style, long tubular part that connects stigma with the ovary, provides passage and also guides growing pollen tube. Ovary, swollen basal part of pistil, contains ovule attached to its placenta point. Ovary on maturity converted into fruit, and ovule after fertilization develops into seed. Flower having one carpel, monocarpellary flower. Flower having two carpels, bicarpellary flower. Flower having three carpels, tricarpellary flower. Flower having four carpels, tetracarpellary flower. Flower having five carpels, pentacarpellary flower. Flower having more than five carpels, polycarpellary flower. Apocarpus. Flower has two or more carpels, and carpels are not fused. Carpels are free. For example, rose, lotus. Syncarpus. Flower has two or more carpels, and carpels are united, fused. For example, mustard, ranunculus, brinjal. Ovary internally has a chamber or cavity called locule. Ovary has one locule, monolocular ovary. Ovary has two locules, bilocular ovary. Ovary has three locules, trilocular ovary. Ovary has four locules, tetralocular ovary. Ovary has five locules, pentalocular ovary. Ovary has more than five locules, multilocular ovary. Placentation, soft cushion-like parenchymatous cells present over wall of locule called placenta. Manner of arrangement of ovules on placenta within ovary called placentation. Marginal. Placenta forms a ridge along the ventral suture, and ovules are born in two alternate rows along the ridge. Ovary is unilocular. For example, pea plant. Axial. Placenta is present in the axial position, and the ovules are attached to it. Ovary generally is trilocular to multilocular. For example, TLC, tomato, lemon, China rose. Placentation, parietal. Ovary is unilocular but becomes two-chambered due to formation of false septum called repulum. Ovules develop on the inner wall of ovary or on the peripheral part. For example, map, mustard, argemone, P for parietal. Free central. Ovules are born on central axis and septa are absent in the ovary. Ovary is unilocular. For example, DP, Dianthus primrose. Basal. Placenta develops at the base of the ovary and single ovule is attached to the placenta. For example, sunflower, marigold. Steroid pistil or carpel called pistillode. With reference to androecium, if all the stamens are free, it is called polyandrous condition. Position of floral parts on thalamus. Hypogynous flower. Ovary occupies highest position and other floral parts are situated below the ovary. Thalamus is dome-shaped or inverted funnel-like. Ovary is superior. For example, mustard, China rose, brinjal, petunia. Perigynous flower. Ovary is situated in the center and other floral parts are located on the rim or periphery of the thalamus. Thalamus is cup-shaped. Other floral parts are present nearly or almost at the same level of ovary. Ovary are said to be half inferior. For example, plum, rose, peach. Epigynous flower. Margin of thalamus grows upward, enclosing the ovary completely and getting fused with it. Other floral parts arise above the ovary. ovary is said to be inferior. For example, guava, cucumber, bitter gourd, ray floret of sunflower. Fruit. Fruit represents modified, mature, ripened ovary formed after fertilization. Ovary wall forms fruit wall, also called pericarp. Fruit wall, that is pericarp, divided into three layers. Epicarp, outer cover of fruit, generally thin, can be thick also, mostly non-edible. Mesocarp, middle layer of fruit, generally pulpy, fleshy, edible part. Endocarp, inner membranous or stony layer. Types of fruit based on formation. True fruit, eucarpic fruit, eucarp. Fruit formed from ovary. Most of the fruits are true fruits. For example, mango, cucumber, papaya, guava, etc. False fruit, pseudocarp. Including ovary, other floral parts are also involved in fruit formation, like calyx, perianth, thalamus, peduncle, etc. For example, apple, pear, cashew nut, mulberry. Parthenocarpic fruit. Fruit develops from ovary without fertilization. Thus, seeds are absent. Seedless fruit. For example, banana, grapes. Simple fruit develops from single flower. Flower can have one carpel, monocarpellary, or many carpels, multicarpellary. In multicarpellary flower, all carpels are united, fused, that is syncarpus. In simple fruit, single fruit formation occurs from a flower. Aggregate fruit. Fruit develops from single flower. Flower can be bicarpellary to multicarpellary. All the carpels of a flower are not fused, united. That is apocarpous condition. Here, bunch of small fruits are formed called fruitlets from single flower. Aggregate fruit, also called heterofruit, multiple or composite fruit. It develops from entire inflorescence. Two types. Sorosis develops from spike, spadix or catkin inflorescence. The flowers fuse together by their sepals or perianth and the whole inflorescence forms a compact mass. For example, jackfruit, mulberry, pineapple. Cyconus, the fruit develops from hypenthodium inflorescence. For example, fig, gular, banyan, people. Simple, dry, indehiscent fruit. Pericarp is dry, generally not differentiated into its layers. Fruit does not split or burst naturally in sunlight. Seeds are liberated only after decomposition or destruction of pericarp. Caryopsis, that is grain, develops from monocarpellary, unilocular, uniovulate superior ovary. Pericarp is completely fused with seed coat. For example, wheat, maize, rice, that is Poaceae or Gramineae family. Achene develops from monocarpellary, unilocular, uniovulate superior ovary. Pericarp is not completely attached with seed coat. For example, Mirabilis lotus. Cypsela develops from bicarpellary, syncarpus, unilocular, inferior ovary. Hairy calyx called pappus present help in dispersal of fruits or seeds. For example, sunflower, Soncus, Zinnia, Taraxacum, marigold, that is Compositae or Asteraceae family. Nut develops from polycarpellary superior ovary. Pericarp is hard, stony, and even woody. For example, anacardium, that is cashew nut, lychee, that is marking nut, trapa, that is water chestnut, quercus, that is oak. Simple dry dehiscent fruits. Pericarp is dry and undifferentiated. Pericarp burst naturally or automatically in sunlight and liberate their seeds. Legume, that is pod. Dry unilocular, that is single chambered fruit, develops from monocarpellary superior ovary. Fruit dehisces by both suture or margins on maturity. Placentation is marginal. One or two seeded legume called pod. For example, gram, lentil, pea, bean. Silicua develops from bicarpellary unilocular ovary with parietal placentation. Fruit has false septum called repulum. Dehiscence of fruit occurs by both the halves from base to apex. For example, mustard, radish, that is crucifery or Brassicaceae family. Silicula, short, broad, flat silicua with few seeds. For example, Iberis capsula. Capsule develops from multicarpellary syncarpous ovary. Dehiscence occurs by many ways. Porocidal, by pores, for example, opium, argemone. Loculicidal, locules or wards, for example, cotton, lady's finger. Septicidal, septa, for example, linseed. Septifragal, fragments, for example, dhatura. Schizocarpic fruit, that is splitting fruits. Fruits break or split into mericarps. Lumentum, bisutural, multi-seeded, divided into one seeded many mericarps. For example, tamarind, cassia fistula, mimosa, groundnut, desmodium, acacia. Cremocarp, double-seeded fruit, bicarpellary syncarpous inferior ovary, persistent stylopod or stylopodium, two mericarps, each contains one seed. Mericarp attached with carpophore. For example, fennel, coriander, that is family Apiaceae or Umbelliferae, carrot, jeera, that is cumin, saunf, that is foeniculum. Regma, tricarpellary to pentacarpellary, syncarpous superior ovary, splits into 3 to 5 one-seeded parts called cocci. Spines are found on pericarp. For example, family Euphorbiaceae, castor, that is ricinus, carcerulus, bicarpellary to multicarpellary superior ovary, splits into 4 one-seeded mericarps or locules. Spines are absent. For example, tulsi, salvia, althea, abutilon. Samara, bicarpellary or tricarpellary syncarpous superior ovary. Winged or feathery fruits develops from pericarp, help in dispersal. For example, Holoptelia, that is chilbil, Dioscorea, ulnus, that is ilm. Aggregate fruits, polycarpellary, apocarpus. All fruitlets form aggregate fruit, also called eterio. Eterio of achenes, for example, strawberry, rose, lotus, ranunculus. Eterio of berries, for example, Trabotris, Polyalthea, custard apple, that is sitafal, Annona squamosa. Eterio of follicles, for example, Calotropis, Delphinium, Michelia, Magnolia, Catharanthus. Eterio of drupes, for example, raspberry, blackberry. Fleshy or succulent fruits. Fruits are indehiscent. Pericarp is divided into epicarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. Drupe develops from monocarpellary superior ovary, mostly one-seeded. Pericarp has hard and stony endocarp. Mesocarp is fleshy, juicy, and edible in mango, and fibrous mesocarp found in coconut used in formation or making of coir. For example, mango, that is Mangifera indica, coconut, that is Cocos nucifera, peach, plum, cherry, bear, that is Ziziphus, almond, walnut, that is Jugulans regia. Berry develops from monocarpellary or polycarpellary syncarpous ovary. Ovary can be superior or inferior. Axile placentation. Fruit 1 to many seeded. Epicarp forms thin outer membranous skin. Mesocarp is thick and fleshy. Endocarp is membranous. For example, tomato, guava, grapes, papaya, banana, brinjal, chili, betel nut, one seeded berry. Pepo, hard-walled berry, develops from tricarpellary, syncarpous, unilocular, and inferior ovary. Parietal placentation. Epicarp forms skin of fruit. Mesocarp and endocarp are fleshy and edible. Bitter taste of fruits is due to tetracyclic triterpenes. For example, cucumber, gourds, watermelon, muskmelon, etc. Pome develops from bi to multicarpellary inferior ovary. Ovary is surrounded by fleshy thalamus. True fruit lies inside the swollen, fleshy, and edible thalamus. It is false fruit or pseudocarp. For example, apple, pear, edible part is thalamus. Hesperidium develops from multicarpellary, multilocular, syncarpous superior ovary with axile placentation. Epicarp and mesocarp fused, forming rind or skin, have oil glands. Endocarp projects inward, forming a number of distinct chambers. Juicy unicellular glandular hairs are edible. For example, all citrus fruits, orange, lemon. Balusta develops from multilocular, multiseeded syncarpous superior ovary. Epicarp is hard, tough, and leathery. Endocarp is membranous. Seeds irregularly distributed inside fruit. Juicy testa of seeds is edible. Persistent calyx present. For example, pomegranate, that is Pumia granatum. Amphisarca develops from multicarpellary, syncarpous, multilocular, and superior ovary. Epicarp is hard and woody. Mesocarp, endocarp, and swollen placenta are fleshy and edible. For example, wood apple or bale, that is Azale marmelis. Elephant apple or keth, that is Feronia limonia. Common English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Pea, Pisum sativum. Legume, seed. Lady's finger, that is okra. Abelmoschus esculentus. Capsule, entire fruit. Corn, that is maize. Gia maize, caryopsis, entire fruit. Wheat, Triticum aestivum, caryopsis, entire fruit. Cashew nut, Anacardium occidentale, nut, cotyledons and fleshy thalamus. Common English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Water chestnut, Trapa bispinosa. Nut, seed. Groundnut, Arachis hypogea. Lumentum, seed. Lychee, Lychee chinensis. Nut, aril. Mango, Mangifera indica. Drupe, fleshy mesocarp. Coriander, Coriandrum sativum. Cremocarp, entire fruit. Common or English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Almond, Prunus amygdalus. Drupe, seed. Coconut, Cocos nucifera. Drupe, endosperm. Apple, Pyrus malus. Pome, fleshy thalamus. Walnut, Jugulans regia. Drupe, cotyledons. Pear, Pyrus communis, Pome flacithalamus. Common or English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Tomato, Lycopersicon esculentum. Berry, pericarp and placenta. Date palm, Phoenix ductilifera, berry, pericarp. Grape, Vitis vinifera, berry, pericarp and placenta. Guava, Pseudium guajava, berry, pericarp, placenta and thalamus. Banana, Musa paradisica variety sapientum, berry, mesocarp and endocarp. Common or English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Bottle gourd, Lagenaria cereraria. Pepo, mesocarp, endocarp, young seed. Betel nut, Areca catechu. Berry, seed. Cucumber, Cucumis sativus. Pepo, mesocarp, endocarp, young seeds. Orange, Citrus reticulata. Hesperidium, placental glandular hair with endocarp. Pomegranate, Punica granatum. Balusta, fleshy succulent testa. Common or English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Custard apple, Annona squamosa. Iterio of berries. Inner layer of pericarp, thalamus. Strawberry, Fragaria vesica. Iterio of achenes, fleshy thalamus, seeds. Mulberry, Morus alba and Morus nigra. Sorosis, succulent perianth and fleshy axis. Pineapple, Ananas comosus. Sorosis, fleshy axis, bract, fused perianth and pericarp. Common or English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Fig, Ficus carica. Cyconus, fleshy receptacle and thalamus. Jackfruit, Altocarpus heterophyllus. Sorosis, fleshy axis, bract, perianth and seed. Seed. Seed represents modified, mature, fertilized ovule made up of seed coat and an embryo, that is miniature plant. Also contains adequate reserve food materials during seed formation. After fertilization, ovule converted into seed, outer integument converted into testa, inner integument converted into tegumen, testa and tegumen together called seed coat, nucellus converted into perisperm, primary endospermic cell and primary endospermic nucleus converted into multicellular endosperm, zygote converted into embryo, embryo produces radicle and plumule that results in formation of new plantlet. Seed has three parts: seed coat, outer protective covering of seed, formed from integuments of ovule. Generally, seed is bitegmic, that is, has two layers. Outer layer testa, brown color, inner layer tegumen, yellow color. Embryo, also called miniature plant, forms new plantlet during seed germination. Nutritive tissue, also called endosperm, provides nutrition to developing embryo. Seed, monocot seed, embryo is attached with single cotyledon. Dicot seed, embryo is attached with two cotyledons. Cotyledon, also called seed leaf, it stores reserve food material. Embryo consists of two parts, embryonic axis and cotyledons. Hilum is a scar on seed coat through which the developing seeds were attached to the fruit. Seed also has a pore above the hilum called micropyle. Aleurone layer, multicellular single layer protein rich nutritive part forming outer covering of endosperm that separates the embryo from endosperm found in monocot seed. For example, maize, that is Gia maize. Large shield-shaped single developed cotyledon of monocot seed called scutellum. In monocot seed, plumule and radicle are covered by seeds called coleoptile and coleorhiza respectively. Coleoptile and coleorhiza are absent in dicot seed. Endospermic seed, also called albuminous seed, mostly found in monocots, also found in few dicots. Here, endosperm is not completely consumed by embryo for formation of new plantlet. Mature seed possess endosperm even after formation of new plantlet. For example, maize, rice, wheat, castor, a dicot. Non-endospermic seed, also called exalbuminous seed, mostly found in dicots, also found in few monocots. Here, endosperm is completely consumed by embryo for formation of new plantlet. Mature seed does not possess endosperm. For example, pea, bean, gram. Orchids and Sagittaria are monocots. Perispermic seed. Generally, nucellus of ovule is consumed by endosperm and developing embryo very early. But if in case nucellus is not completely consumed and mature seed possess nucellus, that is perisperm, such seed called perispermic seed. For example, beetroot, that is Beta vulgaris, black pepper, that is Piper nigrum, and nymphia. Mother axis, the shoot on which flower is born, called mother axis. Floral formula, symbolic representation of floral symmetry, presence or absence, number, cohesion or adhesion of various parts of flower. Floral formula tells us about breadth, nature and symmetry, sexuality, number and union of sepals, petals, stamens and carpels, adhesion of stamens, position of ovary or gynosium with reference to other parts, etc. Floral diagram, a diagrammatic representation of theoretical transverse section and ground plan of a floral bud in relation to mother axis which lies at posterior side. It is highly illustrative and describes most of the features of flower like symmetry, sexuality, number of the floral parts of each type, cohesion and adhesion, estivation, relation between different parts, nature of anther, placentation, presence of nectaries, disc below ovary, etc. Symbols used in floral formula. BR bracteate, EBR ebracteate, BRL bracteolate, EBRL ebracteolate, actinomorphic, zygomorphic, bisexual, unisexual male, unisexual female, K calyx, K without N without bracket polycephalus, K N within bracket gamosepalous, EPI epicalyx below sepal, C corolla, CN without bracket polypetalous, CN within bracket gamopetalous. Symbols used in floral formula: P perianth, PN without bracket polytepalous or polyphylous, PN within bracket gamotepalous or gamophilous, A androecium, epipetalous stamen, epitepalous stamen, G gynosium, GN without bracket apocarpus, GN within bracket syncarpus, GN below line superior ovary, GN above line inferior ovary, where N represents number of parts. In floral diagram, the dot represents position of mother axis, posterior side of flower. Family Brassicaceae, that is crucifery. Corymb inflorescence, tetramerous flower. Cruciform corolla, tetradynamus stamens. Bicarpellary, syncarpus, superior ovary, unilocular but becomes bilocular due to false septum called repulum. Bifid stigma, parietal placentation. Non-endospermic seed, silicua or silicula fruit. Floral formula: ebracteate, actinomorphic or zygomorphic, bisexual, K2 plus 2, C cross 4, A2 plus 4, G2 syncarpus superior ovary. For example, mustard, that is Brassica campestris, Capsella, Iberis, etc. Family Fabaceae, that is Papilionaceae. Vegetative characters: trees, herbs, shrubs and climbers. Tap root system: branched root, root nodules present. Erect or climber stem. Leaves with alternate phyllotaxy, generally pinnately compound. Stipulate pulvinous leaf base, reticulate venation, leaves or leaflets modified into tendrils. Family Fabaceae, that is Papilionaceae. Floral characters: racemose inflorescence, bracteate, bisexual, hypogynous, zygomorphic flower. Calyx, 5 sepals, gamosepalous, valvate, mainly or imbricate estivation. Corolla, 5 petals, polypetalous, papilionaceous corolla with vexillary estivation. Androecium, 10 stamens, diadelphous, dithecous anther. Gynosium, monocarpellary, unilocular, superior ovary, many ovules in 2 alternate rows. Fruit, legume or pod. Seed, non-endospermic, 1 to many seeds. Family Fabaceae, that is Papilionaceae. Floral formula: bracteate, zygomorphic, bisexual, K5 fused, C1 plus 2 plus 2 fused, A9 plus 1 diadelphous, G1 superior ovary. Economic importance: pulses, gram, arhar, same, moong, soybean, pea, urad, French bean, that is rajma. Fodder, trifolium, that is berseem, sesbania. Edible oil, soybean, groundnut. Dyes, indigofera. Fibers, sun hemp. Ornamentals, lupin, sweet pea. Medicines, mulethi. Timber, sesame. Family Solanaceae. Vegetative characters: habit, herbs, shrubs, small trees. Root, tap roots. Stem, herbaceous, rarely woody, aerial, cylindrical, solid, erect, branched, hollow, hairy or glabrous, that is smooth. Potato has underground stem. Leaf, simple leaves, rarely pinnately compound. Alternate phyllotaxy, eggs stipulate, hairy leaves, reticulate venation. Family Solanaceae. Floral characters: Inflorescence solitary, axillary, or cymose. Flower bisexual, actinomorphic, bracteate or abracteate, hypogynous, pentamerous. Calyx five sepals, gamosepalous, persistent calyx, valvate estivation. Corolla five petals, gamopetalous, valvate estivation. Androecium, five stamens, epipetalous, bithecus anther, polyandrous, intros, gynoecium, bicarpary, syncarpus, superior ovary, oblique septa, bilocular, swollen placenta, many ovules, exile placentation. Family Solanaceae. Fruit, many-seeded berry or capsule. Seed, many endospermic. Floral formula, bracteate or abracteate, actinomorphic bisexual, K5 fused, C5 fused, A5 epipetalous, G2 syncarpus superior ovary. Economic importance, food, potato, tomato, brinjal, that is eggplant, makoi, simla mirch, gooseberry. Spices, chili, fumigatory, tobacco, medicines, belladonna, ashwagandha. Ornamentals, petunia, night jasmine, that is रात की रानी, day jasmine, that is दिन का राजा. Family Liliaceae. Monocot, vegetative characters, habit, perennial herbs with underground bulbs, culms, rhizomes. Root, adventitious, fibrous root. Stem, aerial or underground, herbaceous or woody. Leaves, mostly basal, linear, alternate, ex-stipulate, parallel venation. Family Liliaceae. Floral characters, inflorescence solitary, cymose, umbellate cluster, scapigerous umbel. Flower bisexual, actinomorphic, bracteate, hypogynous, trimerous. Perianth, six tepals, 3 plus 3, united into tube, valvate estivation. Androecium, six stamens, 3 plus 3, polyandrous, epitepalous or epiphyllous. Gynoecium, tricarpary, syncarpus, superior ovary, trilocular, many ovules, exile placentation. Fruit, capsule, rarely berry. Seed, endospermic. Family Liliaceae. Floral formula, bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth, tepal 3 plus 3, united, androecium 3 plus 3, epitepalous, G3 syncarpus, superior ovary. Economic importance, food, young shoots and root tubers of asparagus, that is satavar, are cooked. Onion, garlic, etc. Ornamentals, lily, tulip, gloriosa. Medicines, aloe vera, garlic. Other uses, colchicum autumnale yield, colchicine, used in doubling of chromosomes, induces polyploidy plants, acts as mitotic poison obtained from corm of this plant. Family Fabaceae, called as pea family or pulse family. Family Solanaceae, called as potato family. Family Liliaceae, called as lily family. Family Brassicaceae or crucifery, called as mustard family. Family Poaceae or Graminae, grass family. Most advanced, largest family of monocots. Inflorescence, spike of spikelets or panicle of spikelets. Flowers, small, sessile, surrounded by two scales. Lemma, fertile bracts, inferior or outer palea. Palea, superior or inner palea. Lemma bears long, stiff process called on. Family Poaceae, that is Graminae. Flowers zygomorphic, incomplete, hypogynous, primerous. Perianth represented by 2 or 3 lodicules, that is tepals. Polyphylous membranous, situated in anterolateral position. Androecium 3 or 6 stamens. Polyandrous, versatile anther. Gynosium monocarpellary or tricarpellary. Syncarpus, superior ovary unilocular. Basal placentation, feathery stigma. Culm stem is present. Family Poaceae, that is Graminae. Fruit is Caryopsis or grain or nut or berry. Floral formula: bracteate, zygomorphic, bisexual, P2 or 3 lodicules, A3 or 6, G1 superior ovary or G3 syncarpus superior ovary. Economic importance: cereals, jai, that is oat, jaw, that is barley, rice, wheat, bajra, jowar, rye, maize. Ornamentals: doob grass, sugar, sugarcane, fibers, munj fiber, timber, bamboo.